procedures at polytechnic colleges of the Philippines in the year 1968, and took up Bachelor of Science in Education, major in English and Biology at Far Eastern University, Manila in 1975. After her college education, she became a classroom teacher at General de Jesus College, San Isidro, Nueva Ecija, and taught communication arts in English in 1975 to 1979. In 1979 to 1980, she taught the same subject and became the school paper advisor at Camp Crame High School, Camp Crame, Quezon City. And after that, she became an instructor and taught English as a second language for adult education and secondary level at Ministry of Education, Sokoto, Sokoto State, Nigeria, West Africa in 1980 to 1985, and handled biology and social studies in the same institution. In 1986 to 1990, she was a 5th grade classroom teacher at School of St. Gregory the Great, Manhattan, New York City, USA. And she was an English instructor at Metropolitan Career Institute, Bronx, New York City, USA in the year 1987 to 1990. She worked at the geriatric care at Beverly Manor in 1990 to 1993. Then she stopped teaching and took up practical nursing with special training in neurology, geriatric, and rehabilitation at Daytona Community College, Daytona Beach, Florida, USA in 1993. After that, she got her license as a practical nursing at the state of Florida, as well as her license as a teaching English as a second language at the state of New York, USA. In 1993 to 2000, she became a medical surgical nurse in neurology, ENT, and bird at Halifax Medical Center, Daytona Beach, Florida, USA, and employed in a rehabilitation and geriatric nursing at Flagler Pines Manor, Flagler County, Florida in 1998 to 2005. And now, she's already enjoying the fruit of her labor. For further knowing her, she is the wife of Sir Henry's Tito, Mr. Daniel Discipolo. And without so much ado, ladies and gentlemen, I have the honor and proud to introduce to you our guest of honor and speaker, Mrs. Lina Gonzalez Discipolo. Madam.